Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pork chops on the Power Smokeless grill. Alright guys, while my Power Smokeless grill is preheating here, I have 600 cup pork chops. I'm going to season them with some of this Badia complete seasoning. That's garlic powder, onion powder, some salt, monosodium gluten, all the good stuff. Now I'm going to take my chops, I'm just going to drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil. And this is the first time I've used this seasoning, guys, so I'm sure it's going to be delicious because there's all the good stuff in there I like. And I know monosodium glutamine isn't good for you, but as long as you don't use it daily in large quantities, you'll be fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and smear my olive oil all over on the chops. And guys, it is hot out there today. I'm going to put a generous coating on this. It's hot out there today. It's about 99 degrees, and you folks down south are calling me a sissy and laughing, but up here in Pennsylvania, we're just not equipped to handle that kind of heat. I'm going to turn these over. I'm going to season the other side, and I left these sit out on the counter for about an hour to warm up a little bit, because if you do that, they'll get more tender for you. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drizzle the other side with some olive oil. I'm going to season this side, and when we're ready to go on a grill, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, now that my grill is nice and warm and I have it set on high at 450, I'm going to turn on the fan so it sucks in that smoke so we don't get a big mess. And I'm going to lay my chops on here. And I'm going to fry these for about 5 minutes per side because they're really thick pork chops, so we want to make sure that they're cooked through. So when these are all done, guys, I'll bring it back and let you see how they look. And you can see we don't have any smoke coming up. It's all being sucked down in by that fan. And I'll turn the fan off here in a minute so you can see some smoke come out. Now I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I see some smoke starting to come up. As these fry, it'll give off more smoke. Maybe when I turn them over, I'll bring you guys back so you can see how the fan really cuts down on the smoke. Alright guys, my 5 minutes are up and I'm ready to turn these, and I'll show you with the fan off all the smoke that comes up. See the nice grill marks on these. And I may have to give them a little bit longer on the second side. It depends. I want to make sure they're cooked through. Now I'll turn that fan off. Pay close attention here, guys. Okay, you see the smoke starting to rise up off of them, the steam. When I hit the fan back on, it pulls all that back in. So I'm going to finish frying these, and when they're done, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that my 10 minutes are 5 minutes per side, they're not cooked all the way through. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my temperature down to the 320 degree setting, turn my fan off, and I'm going to put the glass lid over top of this that came with it. And what this is going to do, that's going to create like a steaming effect on those chops. And I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes and let these just steam in there for 10 minutes to finish cooking them through. Alright guys, my 10 minutes are up. My chops are done. Now I have the fan on to suck the steam away. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, I also made some boiled potatoes and peas to go with this. Let me get in here and cut into this chop so you can see how it looks. Nice and juicy, guys. See, my chop is cooked through. Give that a taste. Whoop, man overboard. That's really moist and tender. That seasoning's really good. Taste the garlic, the onion, and the grill put a nice char in it. Really brought out the flavors of meat. Alright, there you have it, guys. Pork chops on a Power Smokeless grill. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.